In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check PayPal activity log. If you want to review recent transactions on your PayPal account, the process is very simple and only takes a moment. This is useful if you want to confirm a payment, check for incoming money, review purchases, or just keep track of the activity on your account over time. To get started, sign into your PayPal account and go to your main dashboard. This is the home screen you see after logging in, where PayPal gives you an overview of your account. Once you're there, look for the Activity section and click on it. After you open Activity, you'll be able to see the activity that has taken place on your PayPal account. This includes things like payments you've sent, payments you've received, completed transactions, and other account-related activity that PayPal records in your history. It's essentially your account log, and it helps you quickly understand what has happened on your account. As you review this section, take your time to look through the listed transactions carefully. This is especially helpful if you're trying to verify whether a payment went through successfully or if you're checking for any unexpected charges. The activity page is designed to give you a clear snapshot of your PayPal history in one place, so it's one of the first places to check whenever you need account information. It's also good to know that this section is available for both personal and business PayPal accounts. So no matter which type of account you're using, you can follow the same general process to view your account activity. That makes it easy to find your transaction history without needing a different set of steps. If you use PayPal often, checking the activity section regularly can help you stay organized and aware of what's happening in your account. It's a quick habit that can make managing payments much easier, and that's all there is to it. Once you click Activity from your PayPal dashboard, you can view the activity that has happened on your account. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you understand how to check your PayPal activity log.